friend. How many firefighting tools do you know? Let's start right away. Fire extinguishers. Firefighter helmet. Fire truck. Firefighter bunker gear. Fire axe. Hose. Raincoat. Climbing rope. Flashlight. Oxygen pump. Fire ladder. Fire hose nozzle. Firefighter gloves. Firefighter mask. Fire pump. Fire detection equipment. Water pump. Fire alarm. Water. Ambulance. Nursing staff. Fire blanket. Fire hose reel. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.